Hey y'all, to today I have cornbread, chicken, macaroni and cheese, cabbage and yams, and I have tea. So thank y'all so much for watching and subscribing. It truly means a lot to me. And yes, thank y'all guys for commenting nice things. That truly means a lot. And yeah, this is Sunday dinner for me, y'all. My mama cooked it, and I cannot.
So your sister.
Yes, my sister cooked the mac and cheese, things like that, and it tastes really good, y'all. I had a taste of it; it was pretty good. So yeah, guys, let's get into it.
Happy Thanksgiving in advance, you guys.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving in advance to y'all. I know some of y'all gonna have a really great dinner. And yeah.
Rate it at the end.
Okay, I'll rate it. I hope y'all are having a great day, and if not, I hope y'all day get better. Okay, y'all, I haven't touched the chicken yet because my mama just pulled it straight from the grease. And I don't want to get burnt.
This is Southern cooking, y'all.
Southern cooking food is best. African American way. The soul food.
We be cooking down south.
Yeah, down south cooking. Can't beat it. I might end up getting full a little too soon, y'all. I hope not.
Is the mac and cheese too salty?
The mac and cheese just good, just fine.
Okay, cool.
That mac and cheese is really good.
You said it too, though.
Yeah, so don't add anything else to the mac and cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna bite into this chicken. Still a little hot.
Everybody invited to the cookout.
Everybody invited to the cookout. Chicken is delicious. Chicken is good, y'all. Yeah, I love some soul food. Honestly, I wish I would have had catfish. Man, you cannot beat catfish, y'all. I'm gonna do everything at once. Because it just tastes so good. I'm enjoying Sunday dinner, y'all. I can't even lie. I'm enjoying Sunday dinner. I'm enjoying it. My mama had put butter on the top of the cornbread. And it tastes so good. Yeah, this is definitely big bag behavior. Big bag. All the cabbage on them. It's salted just right. It's seasoned just right, should I say. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that chicken.
got the same size, a little bit more. What you wear, 8, 7? Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't too much bigger than my feet.
Just needed some little bit of that drinkity drink. Drinkity drink. Candy M's. Can't beat it.
Got cabbage taste.
I didn't taste it. She said it was good though. She said it like flavor.
It's good shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Cabbage.
Mm-hmm. And be quiet. Mm. Yeah, this falling off the dang on fork, y'all. Mm. My sister made the hell out of this mac and cheese. Mm-hmm. The chicken is a little warm now. And it'll cool down a little bit since I first had it. Mm. Y'all, just to let y'all know, I'm not eating everything on here. I'm about to end the video, so yeah, thank y'all so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. That truly means a lot to me, y'all. And yeah, thank y'all so much, and see y'all later.